Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale brand awareness with Instagram, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by defining your brand's identity. Identify your target audience to tailor your content effectively. Create a visually appealing Instagram profile with a memorable username and bio. Ensure your profile picture reflects your brand logo or theme. Set your Instagram account to business mode for access to analytics. Develop a content strategy that aligns with your brand's goals. Determine a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged. Use high-quality images and videos that resonate with your audience. Incorporate your brand colors and style into all posts for cohesion. Utilize Instagram stories to showcase behind-the-scenes content or promotions. Engage with your audience through comments and direct messages. Utilize hashtags strategically to enhance discoverability. Research popular hashtags relevant to your niche and audience. Create branded hashtags to encourage user-generated content. Collaborate with influencers who align with your brand values. Run Instagram ads to target specific demographics and broaden your reach. Analyze your Instagram insights to understand what content performs best. Adjust your content strategy based on performance metrics. Engage in Instagram live sessions to connect with your audience in real time. Organize contests or giveaways to build excitement and encourage shares. Monitor trends within your niche and adapt your content accordingly. Follow similar brands and engage with their content for inspiration. Build a community around your brand by encouraging user interaction. Evaluate your growth periodically to identify successful strategies. Refine your approach based on feedback and engagement data. Stay consistent in voice and messaging to strengthen brand recognition. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.